So what you can actually also do is get Python code so that a MIDI music can be generated for you. So for that, I can go around over here in DeepSeek, and let's say, for example, type in create a MIDI musical notation for a bright music. And I can add in write a Python code so that I can generate it just like this. So if I were to go ahead and hit the send button right here, then what happens is that it'll go ahead and give me these steps. So it says I need to install the MIDI library, then write the Python script in a compiler, and then simply run it. And over here you can see that I actually have the MIDI script running right here, and I got all of the Python codes, as you can see, just like this. Then I can simply go ahead and then run the script, and then this particular MIDI notation file will be created. So that is how you can go ahead and create MIDI notation Python code inside of DeepSeek. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.